Hello, all. This is Tapesh Dule. I have gave CP exam on 18th of Jan and I got certified with CP foundation level. So, first of all, I would like to thank the CP team to give me the opportunity to appear for this exam and to get certified with the Selenium foundation level. My experience with this exam is very good. That I have learned many new things while studying for this exam and while preparing for this exam. I saw the question bank which they have provided, and after that I gave the exam and I got cleared. So it have covered many new things, and many from basics to advanced we can learn and we can recall many things which are provided in Selenium along with Java. Apart from this, in my current organization, I am using Selenium with Java, where I am using these concepts regularly, and it will help me a lot. That I got to learn many new things as well in this exam. I am in new terms, methods, whatever is there. I got to know about that, and surely after this, I will focus on CPSET Advanced examination. I will write this exam, that exam as early as possible. Yeah. Thank you.